Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, and today I want to give you a quick look at the latest installment of the Orthopedic Industry Annual Report. The 2024 edition of the report features an all-new design that makes it easier than ever to navigate through the chapters. Each chapter focuses on one of the major orthopedic product segments and provides detailed information on its market, top players, important developments, and growth forecasts through 2027. Chapters roll up to an executive summary that gives you a great overview of the state of orthopedics for the last year and change. So let's take a look inside. I'm going to go to the beginning of our exhibit list. Let's take a look at the market by company size. The report features 111 exhibits, just like these, that measure company sales, regional sales, and market share. We provide ample context throughout, supplemented by quotes from orthopedic company executives. Finally, we provide a comprehensive set of appendices covering 510Ks, funding, M&A, and company product segment focus. So let's take a look at the list of joint replacement companies. You can see how the all-new design makes it easier than ever to use. We couldn't be more excited to get the latest installment of the annual report into the hands of our members. OrthoWorld Executive and Elite members get access to the report as soon as it launches. You can find it in the My OrthoWorld section of our site, accessed from your profile at the top right. It's also available for purchase from the information products section of our store. So that's a quick look at the latest installment of the Orthopedic Industry Annual Report. It captures everything we learned about the industry in a very dynamic period. So check it out and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.